Good evening all of you. Today let's discuss class 7th chapter 1 exercise 1.2. First question is find each of the following products. So here we are going to do the multiplication of integers and let's do the first question. 3 into minus 1. Okay, 3 into minus 1. That's very easy. Okay, so 3 into minus 1. What is 3 into 1? The answer is 3. And here, since there is only one minus sign here, so you can put minus sign. Okay, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, now what is B? B minus 1 into 225. Okay, now what is 1 into 225? It's 225. Now since there is one minus sign in the question, you can put that minus sign here. Okay, so answer will be minus 225. Okay, now let's see C. What is C? Minus 21 into minus 30. Okay, this is C. Now we have to do the multiplication, that is let's do 21 into 30. What is 21 into 30? 0, 0, 3, 6. So 0, 3, 6. What is that? 630. Okay, 630. Now there are two minus sign in the question. That is here there is one minus, here there is one minus. If two minus sign is coming, the answer will be plus. Minus into minus is plus. Okay, so answer will be 630, or simply you can write this plus 630 as what? 630. Okay, answer will be 630. Now let's see D. Okay, now let's see D. What is D? Minus 316 into minus 1. Okay, minus 316 into minus 1. That means what? What is 316 into 1? 316 into 1 is 316. Now since there are two minus sign, that is minus here, minus here. So minus into minus is plus. Or you can write this as 316. So answer will be 316. Okay. Now let's see E. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Okay, so let's do it. Here since 0 is coming, you can directly write the answer as 0 itself. Okay, but let's do one by one. You know that minus 15 into 0 is 0. Okay, now 0 into minus 18. What is 0 into minus 18? It's again 0. So our answer will be 0. Okay, or directly you can write the answer as 0 itself. Okay, now let's see F. F is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Okay, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So first let's do this one, that is 12 into 11. Let's do 12 into 11. First let's multiply without considering the signs. Okay, and at last let's put the sign. Okay, so first let's multiply this 12 into 11. What is 12 into 11? 2, 1, 2, 1. So 2, 3, 1. 132. So this will be equal to 132 into 10. Okay, 132 into 10. When you are multiplying this minus 12 into minus 11, here 2 minus sign is coming. So minus into minus is plus. So answer will be plus 132. Okay, now plus 132 into 10. What is 132 into 10? That's very easy. 132 into 10 is what? 1320. Okay, so answer will be 1320. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, multiplication with 10, 100, 1000 and all, it's very easy. I hope you know that. Okay, so answer will be 1320. Okay, so this is the answer for F. Now let's see G. Okay, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Okay, this is G. So let's multiply this first. That is 9 into minus 3. What is 9 into minus 3? It's 27. Let's write 27. 9 into 3 is 27. Now only one minus sign. So let's put that minus sign here. Okay, so minus 27 will be the answer. Now minus 27 into, what is there remaining? Minus 6. Okay, minus 27 into minus 6. So what is 27 into 6? Let's do it. What is 27 into 6? 42. Carry 4, 12 plus 4, 16. So 162. And minus into minus. What is minus into minus? It will be plus, or you can write it as 162. Okay, so answer will be 162. Understand? First we have multiplied these two, then you have got the answer as minus 27, then minus 27 into minus 6. So minus into minus will become plus and the answer will be 162. Understand? Now let's see H. H is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Okay. You can multiply in any order. Why? Because multiplication is commutative, okay, for integers. So you can multiply in any order. So it's easy to multiply this first. Is it? Minus 5 into minus 4. What is minus 5 into minus 4? Minus 5 into minus 4 means what? 5 into 4 is 20 and minus into minus is plus. So answer will be 20. Okay. Now let's multiply this minus 18 with this answer. What is that? 20. Okay. Minus 18 with 20. Let's multiply it. That is 18 into 20. Okay. 0. 36. Okay. So 360. Okay, but there is one minus sign here, so answer will be minus 360. Understand? Our answer will be minus 360. Now let's see I. What is I? I is minus 1 into minus 2, okay, into minus 3 into 4. Okay. So let's multiply this. That is minus 1 into minus 2. What is minus 1 into minus 2? 1 into 2 is 2. Minus into minus is plus. So answer is 2. Okay. Here we have got the answer as 2. Now 2 into minus 3. Okay. What is 2 into minus 3? 2 into 3 is 6. And put this minus sign. So answer will be minus 6. Okay. Now what is the remaining into 4? So let's do it. Minus 6 into 4. What is minus 6 into 4? 6 into 4 is 24. And you can put this minus sign. Okay. So answer will be minus 24. So our final answer will be minus 24. First we have multiplied minus 1 into minus 2 and got the answer as 2. Then 2 into this minus 3 and got the answer as minus 6. Then minus 6 into 4 and got the answer as minus 24. So our final answer will be minus 24. Okay. Now let's see J. J is equal to minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, this is J. Now let's multiply one by one. What is minus 3 into minus 6? What is minus 3 into minus 6? Minus 3 into minus 6. That's equal to 3 into 6 is 18 and minus into minus means what? Plus. So 18 will be the answer. You can multiply in any way or any order. There is no problem since the multiplication is commutative for integers. Okay. So and you can multiply these two together. Okay. That is minus 2 into minus 1. What is minus 2 into minus 1? 2 into 1 is 2. Minus into minus is plus. So answer is 2. Okay. So for this question, this you have got the answer as 6 and for this you have got the answer as 2. So now you can just multiply this 18 into 2. What is 18 into 2? 18 into 2 is 36. So answer for this question will be 36. Understand? So you can use any method to multiply. Okay. Okay, so this is all about the first question. Now let's see the second one, which is verify the following. That is the second question. Let's see how we can do it. Let's write the question first. A. Okay, so we have to verify this question, that is 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equals 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This is actually what? Distributive property, distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, so let's verify it. Let's see the answer for LHS first. What is LHS here? LHS is equal to 18 into LHS means what? Left hand side. Left hand side is 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Okay. So let's find the answer for this first. That is, we have to do all time we have to do the things inside the bracket first. That is BODMAS rule. You know that. So let's do the things inside the bracket first. So let's write 18 into. Now what is 7 plus minus 3? 7 plus minus 3 is what? 4. Okay, you have to do the subtraction and put the sign of bigger number. So answer will be 4. Now what is 18 into 4? Let's do it. 18 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. Carry 3, 72. Okay, so answer will be 72. Or in the LHS side we got the answer as 72. Now let's see the case of RHS. What is RHS here? This is the RHS. Okay, right hand side of the equation, which is RHS, is equal to what? 18 into 7 plus what is there? 18 into minus 3. So here also we have to do the things inside the bracket first. Okay, so first let's do what? 18 into 7. What is 18 into 7? Let's do it. 8, 7, 56. Carry 5, 126. So let's write here as 126. Plus, now what is here? 18 into minus 3. 18 into minus 3. So let's do 18 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 54. So 54. Since minus sign is there, minus 54 will be the answer. Okay. 18 into 7 is 126. 18 into minus 3 is minus 54. Now what you have to do? Now you have to do this. 126 plus minus 54. That means different sign means you have to do the subtraction and put the sign of bigger number. So let's do the subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. So 72. We have got the answer as what? 72. Okay. So 72 is the RHS here. So LHS we got 72. That means this we got the answer as 72, and for this also we got the answer as 72. Since 72 is equal to 72, we have verified our answer. Okay. Now let's see B. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equals minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Again distributive property. So let's verify this side first, which is the LHS. Okay. What is LHS here? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Okay. So here also let's do the things inside the bracket first. Okay, that is the correct way of doing. So let's write this minus 21 as it is into. Now what is inside the bracket? Minus 4 plus minus 6. What is minus 4 plus minus 6? Here we have got integers with the same sign. So we have to add them and put the sign. So minus 10 will be the answer. Now what is minus 21 into minus 10? 21 into 10 is 210, and since minus into minus means plus only, so 210 will be the left hand side. Okay, now let's see the right hand side. What is in the right hand side? This is the right hand side. What is that? Minus 21 into minus 4. Okay, plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay, let's do it. So first we have to do what is minus 21 into 4. Okay, so what is 21 into 4? It's what? 84. Okay, so minus 21 into minus 4 means what? Minus into minus plus, and 21 into 4, 84. So for this we have got the answer as 84. Plus, now what is here? Here 21 into 6. So let's do it. 21 into 6. 6, 12. So 126. Here also minus into minus plus. So only 126. Okay. Now what is there? 84 plus 126. Let's add it. 126 plus 84. What is that? 10, 11, 210. Okay, 210. So in the RHS also we have got the answer as 210. LHS also we have got the answer as 210. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, or you can say that this question minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equals minus 21 into minus 6 minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay, we have verified that both sides are equal. Okay, so in this way you can do the second question. Understand? So this is all about the second question. Now let's see the third question. For any integers a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Okay, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? What is minus 1 into a equal to? You know that minus 1 into a will be equal to minus a. That is 1 into a is a, and since 1 minus sign is here, you can put that minus sign there. So answer will be minus a. For example, minus 1 into 2. What is minus 1 into 2? It will be equal to minus 2. Now, what is minus 2 into minus 1 into 5? It will be equal to minus 5 in this way. Okay. So answer for this question is minus a. Understand? Now, what is the next question? A, we have answered A. Now what about B? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. That means what? We have to determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Product means what? Into. Okay. When we are multiplying with minus 1, what will be the product? Minus 22. Okay, actually this is the question for A. That is, when we are multiplying a particular number with minus 1, what we will be getting? Minus 22 as the answer. So what will be that integer? Okay, so here you know that it will be 22. Is it? 22 into minus 1 is minus 22. So answer will be 22. Okay, so answer for this question will be 22. Okay, now what is B? 37. That means dash into minus 1 equals 37. Okay, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 37. That is the question. So dash into minus 1 equal to 37 means here what it will be? Since the answer is a positive or plus in the answer, so both should be negative, then only you will get positive in the answer. So here minus 37. Okay, here minus 37. Okay, only then you will get 37 in the answer. Okay, if you want to get 37 in the answer, there should be minus sign here, then only minus into minus will become plus. So answer for B will be what? Minus 37. Understand? Now let's see C. What is the C? Dash into minus 1 equals 0. Okay, in the answer you should get 0. So what should be this dash? You know that any number when multiplied with 0, you will get the answer as 0. So here there is no other option. Answer will be only 0. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Understand? So in this way you can do the third question. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can watch it once again. Then you will understand this. Okay. Now let's see the fourth question. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some patterns to show minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. Okay, we have to start, in the question it's given that we have to start from minus 1 into 5. Okay, minus 1 into 5. And we will be writing various products showing some pattern to show, and at last we will reach where? We will reach minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. We have to reach here. Okay, let's write it somewhere here. At last we will be reaching this pattern, that is minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. Okay, that is what written here. So how will this pattern go? That is the question. Okay, what will be this pattern? Okay, so it's already told that we have to start from minus 1 to 5 and we will be ending at minus 1. Okay, that means 5, it is decreasing. Okay, only then it will reach -1. Okay, from 5 it have to reach where -1. That means it's decreasing. Okay, so here it's the same, that is -1 here, here also -1. So here you can write it as -1 into 4 minus 1 is what? 5 minus 1 is 4. So -1 into 4. Okay, so here for the first question answer will be -5. Now what is -1 into 4? It's -4. Okay, now what will be next? -1 into 3. What will be the answer? -3. Now -1 into 2. What will be the answer? -2. Now -1 into 1. What will be the answer? -1. Now -1 into 0. After 1 it is 0. So answer will be 0. Now -1 into -1. Okay, then it will be 1. Okay, so we have written the pattern. Okay, so I hope you understood this question. Okay, that is, in this question it's asked that it's already told that starting from -1 to 5. So we have started from -1 to 5. Write various products showing some pattern to show -1 into -1 equals 1. Okay, this is where we have to reach. So in order to reach -1 from 5, you have to decrease 1 by 1. That is why we have multiplied -1 with 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and we have reached here finally. Okay. So this is the answer for fourth question. So I hope you understood this exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you.